In bannernav.php, please check that your input box has a name of date search and your button has a name of date search button. Then in the action area, grab the name of the file, open up keyword PHP and save it as date.php. In bannernav, retrieve the name of the button and paste it into where the button is pushed. Then retrieve what the user enters and put it into our request area. Next, instead of using the variable name keyword, we can go Control H and we can replace keyword with date and push replace all. And if you go into phpMyAdmin and try searching for a date, at the bottom of your code, you should see that the date is in the form year-month-day. You can use the code on line 12 to retrieve the month and day, being sure to put that before your echo command. You can test that this worked, remembering to look at the bottom left for the updated date. Here's the SQL that we'll need. The big change is that we're using the date format to retrieve the month and the day, remembering to feed in our month-day variable. Please also scroll down into your main div, edit your heading, and also edit your error message. And for my test plan, I chose the dates 11th October and the 6th of January. And when I search for the 11th of October, it works correctly. And of course, when I put in the 6th of January, there's no results. You probably noticed that we need to fix our date formatting. To do this, please go into results.php, select the code we use to format the date, cut it, create a new file, open and close a PHP bracket, paste the code inside, and save it as dateformat.php. Then put in an include in results.php and check that the code has not been broken. Next, go into date.php and include the date format under where we set up our day and month. Retrieve the formatted date variable and update your heading and your error message. And if you followed exactly with me, you might have an issue when you don't have results, and mine always shows the 21st of November. And the reason for that is in my date format, I'm still referring to the date from the database, which is what we retrieved in results. To fix this issue, in results, I can create a new variable called toFormat and set it to date from database. I can then put that into my date format PHP. Then in date.php, underneath where we get the date, we can set toFormat to our $date variable. And now when I don't have any results, my date is formatted correctly both in the heading and in the error message, and my date results work correctly when we do have events on the given day as well.